Por mí, no te preocupes por mí, que sí, así me siento divino.
Adiós, porque ya te fuiste, adiós, ya vivo tranquilo.
Mira, tú dices que te ves porque estás cansada de mí y a mí me pasa lo mismo.
Adiós,
lo
porque
mismo.
ya te fuiste, adiós, ya vivo tranquilo.
Pero que adiós se acuerdan más,
Adiós,
que un rayo te par.
adiós, adiós, porque ya te fuiste, adiós, ya vivo tranquilo.
Adiós,
Porque ya te fuiste, adiós, ya vivo
y
tranquilo.
espero que tú no estés pensando en volver, que no se te haya ocurrido.
Adiós, porque ya te fuiste, adiós, ya vivo
De que
tranquilo.
yo espero que te vayas, adiós, y que no te hayas arrepentido.
I should mention to all of you. I should mention to all of you, Chris was out of the building about 10 seconds after the newscast was over last night, heading back for Cobb Field. Let's tell us how it turned out.
Well, I'm glad I went back to Cobb Field, Dave, because
Great way to end.
what an ending it was. The Billings Mustangs are the 1983 Southern Division champions in the Pioneer League. Last night, in front of better than 4,600 fans, the Mustangs rallied for 3 runs in the bottom half of the 9th inning. Final score 6-4 and a win over the Butte Copper Kings and the championship. It wasn't easy as Butte took the early lead, and we go to last night's game. Look at the crowd on hand, 46,99 the official attendance for last night's game, and they saw Butte get the first run of the ball game. Jeff Schultz on first. He went down and stole second. The throw was good, but it wasn't close enough. Edward Allen then followed with a single. That brought Schultz around from second, and it was 1-0 in favor of the Copper Kings. The throw wide at first. Henneke tried to come home with it, but Schultz was safe. And finally, a ground out here to Ronnie Giddens. He goes over to Henneke. That retired the side for the Billings Mustangs, and they were out of a jam. And in the second, Billings got 2 runs back. Kurt Stillwell on first. Ron Henneke hits one just inside the bag of first base for a double. Stillwell comes over to third. Henneke down to second, and there's 2 on with just 1 down. And then the game's hero, Luis Serrano, follows with a 2-out single to right. Stillwell comes in easily to score, and it's 1-1. Lenny Harris, what a player he's been all year. With Henneke on third and 2 outs, he slaps a single. That going down the left field line. That brought home Henneke, and Billings had the lead. Tommy Jones has a talk with John Cirantella. It worked. They turned the double play to end the inning, and it was 2-1 in favor of Billings. Butte took the lead in the 8th, but the Mustangs won it all on a 2-run homer by Luis Serrano in the bottom half of the 9th inning. And you'll see it coming up here. The pandemonium breaks loose, 6-4 the final score. They are the Southern Division champions for the 1983 season. Well, after Serrano's 9th inning home run last night, there was complete chaos on the field as fans poured onto the field where the victory celebration lasted long after the game ended. Somewhere in that mass of happy players and fans, Straight 8's Greg Kerr and myself managed to talk with members of the Mustangs.
The stands are empty now, but less than 24 hours ago, Luis Serrano stood where I am now and hit a 2-run homer to give the Billings Mustangs the Southern Division crown. And this was the scene last night. And these were Luis Serrano's comments after his pennant-clinching homer.
Well, there were 2 outs, so, you know, I just trying to get on anyway. We got some pretty good hitters behind me, and I don't know, just God bless me, I did the job.
What Bombo said to you running around third when he hugged you? What'd he say?
Oh, boy, he almost killed me. I know that little man has a lot of strength, so you fans better watch out with him in the street.
Hugh Kemp, 9-game winner for the Mustangs, who won the night before, had these comments.
Great, you know, Louis, he's come through a lot during the year. He did it again tonight. Couldn't happen to a nicer guy, and I'm really happy. It's the happiest I've been in a long, long time.
Manager Mark Bombard had these thoughts about his newly crowned Southern Division champs.
And it just shows the quality of these players I have. They bounce back. They could have rolled over and died. They didn't. They come back. And what a great way to win a Southern Division championship.
Okay, 2 questions. First of all, what did you say to Louis rounding third base? What did you say to him?
I just said, first of all, I said to Hanukkah, it's over. It's over. And then Louis, well, I can't say those words on the air, but I said it's over.
As for the Southern Division race, it is over. And on to the playoffs at Calgary. This is Greg Kerr for Straight 8 Sports.
Go watch that scene a dozen times.
¡Qué bonito! Pero qué bonito. Ana, se levantó el gordito. Break time, break time. Where's Mr. Break? Míralo ahí, break time. Break, break. time, break time, break time, break time. Allá. Una sonrisa. ¡Qué bonito! Luis, no la tapes, Luis, no la tapes. Una guiñadita a la cámara. Se está escondiendo, bendito. Mira al gordito que mira la cámara.
Oye, Toro.
Uy, my God.
Toro.
¡Qué monga traíste aquí, baby! Mira, nene, el gordito del piano. Mira, el gordito del piano, una guiñadita. Pero qué bonito.
¿Quién te llamaba, guapo? Yo no que te llamaba.
Oye, Toro, para mi cinta corta la parte esa del...
No, esta es la que sigue.
No, corta.
Está caliente.
Está frito, baby.
Está frito.
Ogo, will you look at the camera? Te está cogiendo de espalda.
¿Qué quieres?
Saca la mano, sácala. Pero qué bonito. Mira, José.
Hey, por acá.